Hi, what's up? Welcome to Uncle Moss from Kenya. What I'm carrying here is full of hammer and a manchan. You can just see these trees fall on this kitchen. This outright pit latrine is now almost falling down. They want to demolish it so that I want to be in a good shape. Hi, what's up? This is a hammer. I wanted to remove these things here. What's up? Welcome to Uncle Mo from Kenya. Today, when I wake up, I found these things. This was full of water. Even the trees was falling on top. I decided, say, let these things go away. You can just see the way water was full. See the way it was full of water inside here now. Full of water. You can just see. Even I've not even come inside here. It's full of water. Now I think maybe it can cause accident. Let me remove it. I decided say I demolish these things from here, so as I can start outside. It did not take time. It was only take 3 days. They will be digging. Maximum is one week. I'm done with these things. I need only two, a place of taking a shower and another one for helping this one. You know, the one is inside. This will not be enough. You know, when most people in the village they live like outside pit latrine. Even the way these things was being set was set wrongly. Now it was full of rain. You can just see here, even here, the rain. You can just see this was full of rain. You can just see even here it was full of rain. The water, I don't know, these things was full of water. Even if here, because when he was, even he get a crack when he was beaten with the tree, when the tree fall down, you can just see the crack from that corner. There is a very big crack coming from this side. Now I decided, say, let me save it. Let me demolish these things immediately. These things will not be here. I'm cutting until here. I cut the first 3 layers so as I can mend with the one I'm hiding. Because when it is like this one, let me demolish it and demolish until here. I remove the first layers. This one, I leave it somewhere here so as I can hide. Wow. What's up? This is Uncle Mo from Kenya. Now what I'm doing here. Guys, I've seen you the way I'm demolishing these things. Hi, what's up? You can just see Uncle Mo, somebody's calling. Give me 1 minute so as I can clear with this one. What's up? You can just see even today I'm feeling to plant these flowers, some of the flowers, because I've demolished this one. I not demolish beyond here so as I can be using meanwhile. Today I want to go and bring somebody to make for me a bit latrine. So as it can take a few days so you can, as we be opening the house, you should have outside bit latrine because most people they need where they'll be going to assist themselves. This one is rich here because there was a lot of this was beaten by the trees. Then already be remained this a lot of water. If, even if here, yeah, as we do furnishing inside the house, let us finish this one. Also, tomorrow there is sand. The person making blocks will just come and finish 500 blocks in mending so as we can finish the perimeter. Meanwhile, let us also today I'm focusing about it, putting a latrine. I need it comment section so as you can choose for me the right place where they can start digging the bit latrine. I think from behind of the house is I prefer out from behind, so as the views of the house. I mean, this one even was not making the look of the house look not so nice. You can just even here, you can just see the way now I'm demolishing these things here. Yeah, you can just even were in this corner. Yeah, last time I wanted to put these things here, but you advised me no, this corner no. I'm proposing up there. Now I've demolished this one right now. Yeah, you can just see the way now I'm doing things here. Thank you very much. Let us meet in the next video. Bye.